Stop chronic inflammation with food. Feeling bloated, sluggish, or constantly tired? Chronic inflammation might be the hidden culprit behind your low energy and chronic discomfort. Inflammation is part of the body's natural defense system, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a wide range of health issues, including fatigue, joint pain, migraines, and even serious conditions like heart disease and autoimmune disorders. The good news? You can start healing your body from the inside out with something as simple and accessible as food. Understanding inflammation. When you stub your toe or catch a cold, inflammation helps your body heal. But when it doesn't turn off, when it becomes chronic, it becomes harmful. Chronic inflammation is often triggered by stress, lack of sleep, environmental toxins, and most of all, what you eat. Foods high in sugar, processed fats, and artificial additives keep your immune system on high alert and your body in distress. Food as medicine. Here's the empowering truth. You can turn off that inflammatory response with the right foods. An anti-inflammatory diet isn't about restriction, it's about abundance. Colorful, nutrient-dense meals can help your body repair, restore, and thrive. Small, consistent changes like adding leafy greens or swapping soda for green tea can shift your body toward healing. Top anti-inflammatory foods. Let's begin with berries. Blueberries, cherries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins. This helps reduce inflammation, support brain health, and improve your immune system. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or enjoy a handful as a snack. 1. Leafy greens and cruciferous veggies. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are packed with inflammation-fighting vitamins like A, C, and K. These greens help cleanse the blood and boost cellular repair. Add a handful to soups, curries, or morning smoothies. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain sulforaphane, a compound proven to reduce oxidative stress. Roasting these veggies with garlic and olive oil makes them both healing and delicious. 2. Healthy fats. Omega-3s, nuts, and seeds. Omega-3 rich foods like wild salmon, sardines, and mackerel help regulate your immune response. These healthy fats reduce the production of inflammatory molecules and improve mood, heart health, and skin clarity. Include fish 2 to 3 times per week or use an omega-3 supplement if you're plant-based. Nuts and seeds are also inflammation-fighting superheroes. Walnuts, almonds, chia, and flax seeds deliver fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based omega-3s. They're perfect for snacks, smoothies, or sprinkled on meals. 3. The power of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just tasty, it's medicinal. It contains oleocanthal, a compound that works similarly to ibuprofen by reducing inflammatory markers. Use it in salad dressings, for roasting veggies, or drizzling over grains. 4. Healing spices and teas. Spices are powerful natural medicine. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, dramatically reduces inflammation, especially when combined with black pepper. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and soothes the gut. Add these to curries, teas, or warm morning drinks like golden milk. Green tea, especially matcha, is full of anti-inflammatory catechins. Sip it daily to reduce oxidative stress, boost brain health, and protect your heart. 5. Avocados and dark chocolate. Avocados are a creamy, delicious source of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and fiber. They reduce inflammation and support hormone balance and healthy cholesterol levels. Enjoy them on toast, in salads, or blended into smoothies. Surprisingly, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, contains flavonoids that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. A small square a day can satisfy your sweet tooth and boost your mood. Foods that trigger inflammation. To truly heal, it's just as important to avoid foods that stoke the fire. Red meat, processed meats, fried foods, refined carbs, sugary beverages, and excessive alcohol all contribute to chronic inflammation, gut damage, and weight gain. Some people also find nightshade vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and potatoes can worsen joint pain or autoimmune symptoms. Try removing them for 2 to 3 weeks and observe how you feel. Lifestyle habits that support healing. Food is just one part of the picture. Regular exercise reduces inflammatory markers, improves circulation, and enhances mood. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking, yoga, or dancing each day can help. Sleep is your body's built-in recovery time. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night helps lower inflammation and boosts immunity. Create a calming bedtime routine and avoid screens an hour before bed. Chronic stress is another hidden driver of inflammation. Counter it with daily practices like breathwork, meditation, journaling, or short walks in nature. Just a few mindful minutes a day can reduce stress hormones and calm your system. Sample anti-inflammatory meal plan. Here's a simple day of healing meals to inspire you. Breakfast: berry smoothie with spinach, chia seeds, and almond butter. Lunch: quinoa bowl with roasted veggies, chickpeas, and olive oil dressing. Snack: walnuts and green tea. Dinner: baked salmon with broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes. Dessert: 1 square of dark chocolate and cinnamon tea. Tips for long-term success. Preparation is everything. Plan your meals ahead, batch cook on weekends, and keep your pantry stocked with whole foods like olive oil, lentils, quinoa, and spices. Carry healthy snacks like nuts and fruit to avoid reaching for inflammatory foods when you're hungry. Read food labels carefully. Avoid products with added sugar, refined flour, or seed oils like soybean and corn oil. Choose fresh, simple, colorful foods as often as possible. You don't need to be perfect to see results. Every anti-inflammatory choice you make is a step toward healing. Choose one new habit today, whether it's swapping soda for green tea or adding leafy greens to your plate. If this video helped you, comment below with your favorite anti-inflammatory food. Like the video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more natural health tips each week. Your body is wise, it knows how to heal. Let's give it the support it deserves.